Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh shit! You fucking idiots!
And the drugs. Don't make it so obvious.
So you do have drugs. Put her there.
God, you idiot. Do it, Charlie.
Shit.
Play the great lottery of life. Go on, Charlie. Enjoy it. Open it up, my boy. Oh.
Oh shit! Wow, oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck! Beginning of a student's new life as an IT professional, and completion of your student journey is focused on results, getting you from life to unrewarded.
The little dots on that hill. I know the cap. Stop bringing.
You okay? Flat tire.
I think so.
You cannot go back any further.
Fuck!
And right here. next one. Yep. And then you go in.
Right here?
Yep. You okay?
Oh.
Alright, hold on. It's okay.
Alright, so the guy in front of me is completely wasted. I've already called it into the Illinois State Police. Trying to maintain a safe distance here. Oh God! Oh my 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 God! Oh. I called into the state police already. That this guy was just wasted driving down the highway, like.
I literally just got cut off, and I had to get like side someone, so that's why I was there. And then I guess I literally escaped for just left.
I've already called it in. Like they're on their way. Like, yeah, this guy, like I've been following him for like 5 miles. He was going in and out, like not even using like turn signals or anything. Yeah, this guy was. Yeah, it's not good.
Make sure they're fine. Like no one's
Yeah.
Lucky man.
Yeah, no, he was actually completely wasted. I was following him for the past like 5 miles. I called it into the Illinois State Police. He was like.
What happened? Drunk? He did one.
No. He was like weaving like back and forth.
Oh my God! Oh my God! What the heck? No! Are you guys okay? No, don't get out.
Oh fuck! What the fuck was that guy doing? Jesus Christ.
Is not legal. So they're going to get into serious trouble. That's not right to shoot, kill an animal in hibernation. It's sleeping. It's fine, enjoy its weekend. Right. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, like, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better. The track in the circle level, that means...
Shit, man.
That's true. What, you know, given that white people are never going to give up on doing blackface, like, would it be irresponsible for at least people of color to make money from the blackface?
Oh,
Just like if you're going to do blackface, get a black person to do it for you.
Yeah.
Or we
Oh my.
Call 911.
Go on, dude.